Okay, here's a question that I was asked to answer. A new soup recipe contains 33% less sodium per serving than the old soup recipe. The old soup recipe contains X milligrams of sodium per serving. Which of the following expressions could represent the amount of sodium per serving in milligrams in the new soup recipe? So let's start by getting our pen together, and I'll use lovely, let's see what lovely color we'll use today. Let's go with purple. All right. So let's start by making like a little table. We have the old and we have the new. Okay. So the old recipe had X, right? And the new recipe has X minus 33% of X, right? We have the original minus 33% of the original taken away. So another way to think about this is X minus 33% as a decimal is 0.33 times X. And this answer choice, let's see if it's one of the choices up there. And it turns out that it looks like it is. I'm drawn to this, but if you look closely, I'm gonna write this over here and see if we can see the mistake. I actually almost got tricked into thinking this is correct. Right? That's what I have here. But this isn't x minus 0.33x. This is x minus 33 times x. That can't be right. We want to get 0.33 times x, not 33 times x. So this one is out. All right. So let's think of other ways we can do this. X minus 0.33x. Well, if you think of it, this is 1x minus 0.33x, and you combine your like terms, we have like 1 minus 0.33 or $1 minus 33 cents gives me 0.67x. Is that answer up there? And it turns out this answer is there. So we got one of the two answers we needed to choose. By the way, let's switch up the color here. I wanted to mention this. If you think about it, I normally would pay 100%. Oh, sorry, I normally would have 100% of X as the amount of sodium, but now I have, oops, 33% less, so I have 67% of the original. So 67% of, I apologize for this, of X is 0.67X, which is here, which is the answer we chose over here. All right, so now let's look at some of these other answer choices. Well, this one is out because that's just 33% X. That's how much less, but we want to know how much there is now in the new formula. And this is X minus 33, which is just no matter what X is, you subtract 33. That doesn't make sense. That leaves us with this answer here. So let's think about what's going on here. Well, if I were to distribute, X times 1 is 1X, and X times negative 33 over 100x is negative 33 over 100x. Well, if you think about this, this is 33 hundredths. Isn't that the same as this right over here, 33 hundredths? So this is x minus 33 hundredths x. So sorry for all the mistakes there, or the little glitches that keep coming up. I apologize for that. So this is the same as this one here. So this one will also tell you how much is in the new formula. Hope that helped. Sorry for the little glitches with Smart Ink. I'll fix those in the future, hopefully. Take care.